So let's say the business lawyer understands that he shouldn't be advising on international tax law issues himself. Let's say that he understands that he shouldn't be dabbling in international tax law. Let's say he understands this, the difference between US domestic law and US international tax law. Then the next question is, did he choose the right advisor? And this is, now we're getting into the fourth, the tax professionals equality trap, which is basically an assumption that all US tax practitioners are equally competent to advise on US international tax laws. Remember that pie that I described about the difference between them? If you were, let's put it this way, the great majority, more than 95% of US tax accountants never get out of the baked crust. They don't know about that thick, huge level of cream on top of that pie, which is called US international tax law. They don't know about it. So one of the biggest problems that I've seen is when business lawyers bring in US accountants into advising on something like this. I can tell you that 90% of my cases, of my offshore voluntary disclosure cases, come after an accountant already advised on that case. 90%. That's a horrific percentage. It's not the clients who were thinking, or the clients who were trying to do, what they were thinking that they should be doing. But it's really the accounting profession operates in a different way. The accounting profession operates in a different model. You have to really get to the top of the accounting profession before you start getting accountants who know about this, about US international tax law. Because if you think about it, how do accountants make their money? By being individualized, by adopting an individualized, customized approach to tax returns? No, by churning out as many tax returns as possible within a given time. So, and because they have to standardize, otherwise they won't get out that many tax returns, and their profits will be down. Lawyers operate in a different way. We charge hourly. So for us, customization, specialization, individualization of the case, that's very important. We look at each individual, at each company, and look at that specific set of circumstances, and we analyze that set of circumstances. We think about what could happen to that client. What are the requirements that may apply to him? How can we avoid the penalties? How can we structure that particular transaction better? And I can tell you that unfortunately that's not the case for most of the accountants, even if they think that they are doing that.